Welcome to the demo of our weighbridge application, and here you can see our login screen. In the login screen, here we will enter email and the password to login. So let's enter the email ID. Here we will provide accounts basically which is associated with the emails. So after adding the email and the password, I will log in, and here is the left panel and the right panel and the bottom. So when I click on the sign in, it will log me to in the application dashboard. This is the basically the dashboard reporting section. By default it will load the reporting section. If we wanted to, here are two modules we have provided, dashboard and the reports, and as well as the profile section, setting section. Okay, yeah. Then if I will click on the dashboard, so in the dashboard here we have given some of examples of the cards of the weighbridges card. So one card is equal to one weighbridge. For example, if you have multiple weighbridges, so multiple cards you will see. So if you have 2 or 3 weighbridges, so you will see the 2 or 3 cards. So here I have activated one weighbridge for giving you the demo. So this is the this weighbridge is connected with the, this card is connecting with the weighbridge, so it is getting the data, real-time data from the weighbridge. So this value is a real time, not any outdated or not, we have not any stored this value. This is coming the real time from the weighbridge. When any vehicle comes on this weighbridge, this value will change. Okay, and here we will select by the card, like for which weighbridge we wanted to see and we wanted to work on. These are the examples, and this is the dashboard where we will see the like vehicle is standing here. See, for the example, see here the value is changes, some of person or some of are on the weighbridge, so it's a real-time value changes here. Okay, now I will show you the reports, all the vehicles on this weighbridge which they are coming. So reportings are saving, reporting will save on in the report section. All type of slips, invoices and GRN numbers will are storing in the report section. If you wanted to see the reports, you will go into the report. In report we have this table, it shows the data and two options, export and the filter. In the export we can export the data in the PDF, Excel, and we can email also. For also the print, we can print also this table. So for showing the data, if I wanted to see the data, I will click on the filter. Here I will see all the weighbridges which I have added, which we have added in this user panel. So I will click on this, and these are multiple filters. We can filter the data on the basis of GRN number or any ticket number or any party, vehicle type, or any user means party name, item name, what material we are carrying out in the vehicle, and from date to date, basically date to date filter also. Currently I am not adding any kind of value in these fields. It will shows me all the slips of this weighbridge. If I click on a view report, it will show me the data. So these are the data which is showing to me, and here total net value, total charge, total sale number. So here we have multiple of records. See, we can see as at a time we can see 50 maximum. Also, yeah, this is a pagination where we can change the data. Okay, and if I wanted to see any kind of individual record, so I will click on the actions I button. Action will show me the all the data. Okay, I can print it and email it, and also the cancel it. And this is the dashboard. Here now vehicle on the weighbridge. This is a real-time value which we are getting. It's a real-time value, not anywhere we have stored this. This is live value, live weight which we are getting from the weighbridge. These three are offline. I have only activated this for your reference. Thank you so much. Now I will log out this. it will log out the completely application, and you can access this application from anywhere in your mobile, in your tablet, in your system. This is a scalable application. Thank you.